Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up the Samsung Galaxy A36. Now to do that, first of all, just tap on the arrow down icon and from here, just select your language. Now once you select your language, just tap on OK. After that, just tap on Start. From here, just select Agree to All, then tap on Agree. Now just tap on Set Up Manually. Now from here, just enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Then tap on Connect. After that, just tap on Next. Now just select Don't Copy. Now from here, just enter your email address. Now once you enter your email address, just tap on Next. Now just enter the password of your email address. Now once you enter the password of your email address, just tap on Next. Now just select I'll be using this device, then tap on Next. From here, select I agree. Now just tap on Skip and tap on Skip anyway. Now just tap on More and tap on Accept. Now if you want to back up your data, just select Turn on Backup, but for now I will select Don't Back Up. Now just tap on Continue and select Turn On. Now just tap on Sign in with Google and select I have read and agreed to all of the above. Then select Agree. Now just tap on More and tap on Next. Tap on Next, tap on More and select Next. Tap on More and tap on Agree. Now from here, just select your display mode. You have the option of dark mode and light mode. Now I will select light mode. Now once you select your display mode, then tap on Next. Now as you can see, you are all set up. Then tap on Home. Now as you can see, this is how you can set up the Samsung Galaxy A36. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.